Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. So I will not be doing this video on myself, but I have the pleasure to do it on one of my lovely clients. The name of this company, I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, so I'm not even gonna butcher it. I am going to leave the name of the company at the bottom of the video so you guys can see it, and the information will also be in the description box. They sent us a lot of stuff in this packaging. They sent clips, they sent lashes, they sent the hair tie, they sent a lot of stuff. That was the wig that we are going to be installing that you just saw me hold up. It is a brown highlighted 24-inch 13 by 4 loose wave wig. The curls held really, really well. I'm also going to see how it straightens in this video so we could get, two different looks. As you saw in the beginning of the video, I gave you a picture of both. So we already braided her hair down. We got our cap on. We're going to get right into it. We're cutting the excess cap off now. So let's go. So of course we are using nothing other than our beauty bond to lay down the lace. I'm going to put a couple coats on, and then you know how it goes. Let it start to dry clear, and then you can apply the lace. Okay, so we laid our lace down, so now we're going to go ahead and put our band on before I cut. I always put the band on just to get it like really, really melted into the glue. I probably had the band on for about 5 minutes. And now, I took it off, so we're going to cut with eyebrow razor. So we have got all our lace off, and I'm getting extra melt with the beauty band that is on her head in the front while I straighten. Like I told you, I'm going to straighten and curl it so you guys can see what it looks like, both ways. The curls did hold really, really well, but you will see after I straighten it. You'll get the pictures from when it's straightened, the video from when it's straightened, and then you'll get the video from when it's, curled. Okay, so I did not straighten the front yet because I wanted to take the band off, and she wants baby hair, so I like to do that before I complete the style. But if you could just, take a look at the hairline, it looks really good. And I didn't really pluck it like that. I did pluck it a little bit, but I didn't pluck it like that. Because sometimes the wigs don't look wiggy, when you don't pluck them. It depends on, when you don't pluck them, extreme, sometimes it still looks natural depending on, the hairline when you get it. Sometimes you do got to go in a little more, and it also depends on what the client wants. Like if the client wants it to be like really, really plucked. Also, I told you guys, when you pluck your lace a lot, like when you really, really pluck it, it shortens the time period you're gonna have with the unit. So if you spent a lot of money on it, I would suggest pluck it so that it looks natural, but you can still have a hairline that is a little dense, because you want to get the wear out of the wig if you spent a lot of money on it. If it's something that's a little cheaper, 9 times out of 10 the hairline is going to be heavier. So you can go in and do as much plucking as you need to for it to look as natural as possible. But it's up to you. Or if you just got money to be splurging, and you want to just pluck it and change out the frontal or change out the closure, that's completely up to you.
What if smartphones were more than just smart? The all-new Google Pixel 6 truly sees you, not a blurry face. With the most advanced and inclusive smartphone camera yet, Google Pixel 6.
So we're done with the baby hair, so I'm going to tie the band back on to her hairline. I'm first going to put a wrapping strip because it is wet and it'll absorb the moisture. It'll be easier, for you to be able to take it off without it sticking and messing up the baby hairs. So we apply that, and then I put a band on top of it just for the extra security.
What if smartphones were more than just smart? The all-new Google Pixel 6 truly sees you, not a blurry face. With the most advanced and inclusive smartphone camera yet, Google Pixel 6.
Okay, let's get into it. Let's see what's happening. Y'all ready to see what's going on under here? I hope it looks good because now let me stop. Her reaction was priceless. She loved her hair. This isn't straight. You guys are going to be able to see it curled as well, but the name of the company is at the bottom of the screen. All of the information is in the description box. They do have an Instagram. Follow them on Instagram and all other social media platforms. Follow me at Beautiibyday. You guys know I'm always coming with some content, some reviews, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.